Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to show you beginners friendly eyeshadow tutorial, and I have made this video only focusing my eyes, so let's get started. Now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Base, and I'm just gonna clean up my brows. So I'm using the same concealer for my eyeshadow base, and I'm putting it all around my eyelid and blend it with the help of a blender. Now taking the RCMA No Color Powder, I will lightly set my base. For eyeshadow, I will be using my Violet Voss Essential Pro Series eyeshadow palette. At first, I'm gonna use the shade Sand and blend it above my crease from outer to inner part of my eyes in circular motion. I'm using really light pressure to blend it. Also guys, blending is the key, so blend the eyeshadow really well. Taking the shade Terracotta, I will blend it in my crease, and again I'm blending it in circular motion. To even darken it, I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon and blend it with the shade Terracotta. Remember guys, you have to blend it until there are no harsh lines left or seen. Taking the shade Cream with the help of a flat brush, I will put it on half of my lid. Now with the help of a blending brush, I will blend between the matte and shimmer shade to make it little more blended. For liner, I'm going to use Sephora eyeliner. I'm going to curl my lashes, and for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I'm gonna quickly pop on lashes and I will be right back. Using a pencil liner, I will line my waterline. Taking a small blending brush, I will again use the shade Cinnamon and blend it on my lower lash line. You don't have to be really precise, just make sure it is blended. At last, using the cream shade, I will highlight my brow bone. So this is the final look guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.